I really need to get out of my head, but I just keep replaying what she said. And I don't like the pressure, I'm just gonna stay in bed. The wheels gotta turn, that's what they say. I'm laying here alone and that's okay. I'm just below the moonlight, floating over Monterey. Sometimes I get so lazy, sometimes I go so slow, sometimes I act so crazy.